Tired of using the same old selfie for your LinkedIn or resume? What if I told you you could get a professional, studio-quality headshot without ever stepping in front of a camera? This is Headshot Pro, an AI-powered tool that generates clean, polished, business-ready headshots, all from regular photos you already have. Here's how it works. First, you upload 8 to 15 casual photos of yourself, front-facing, side profiles, even candid shots. The AI uses those to train a model tailored specifically to you. Then, it generates dozens of high-quality headshots in various outfits, lighting setups, and poses, like you actually went to a professional photographer. What's cool is that you can choose different backgrounds, neutral, office style, or even branded, and match the tone you need, whether it's for a CV, team page, or networking. And here's the kicker, it's insanely fast. Most results are ready in under 2 hours. Think about what you'd spend on a traditional photo shoot: booking a photographer, scheduling a session, paying hundreds. With Headshot Pro, you skip all of that and still get sharp, studio-quality results. Plus, it's used by thousands of teams and professionals, including top tech companies, because the results genuinely hold up. And yes, this is the real deal. No uncanny AI weirdness, no awkward faces, just clean, confident photos that actually look like you on your best day. I've included my affiliate link below. If you decide to try it out, you'll be supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you're ready to level up your online presence in less than 10 minutes, check out Headshot Pro below. Hit like if this helped, subscribe if you want more tools like this, and feel free to drop a comment if you give it a try. I'd love to hear what you think.